there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to recover deleted call history. So to do that, I'm going to show you the steps you can follow. So to restore from backup, if you have previously backed up your Android device to Google Drive, you can restore your call history along with other data by performing a factory reset and then restoring from the backup. And the second one is from Samsung Cloud. If you have a Samsung phone, you can check your Samsung Cloud backup for all call history. And there are some other cloud backups like some third-party apps also offer backup and restore features for call history. So there are some data recovery software like the first one is third-party apps. There are numerous third-party apps available on Google Play Store that can scan your device for deleted data and attempt to recover it, including call logs. And for professional services, if you are unable to recover the data yourself, please seek or consider professional data recovery services. And your phone carrier may have a record of your call history, and you can inquire with them about retrieving it. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can recover your deleted call history. Hope this video helped you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we will reach you out.